Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the sidebar on Xiaomi 14T and 14T Pro. In order to enable this feature, we need to go to the settings. In the settings, you want to scroll down and go to additional settings over here. Now scroll down just a little bit to go to floating windows, and finally choose sidebar. Go over here to sidebar. We'll open the side toolbox menu, and in order to turn on sidebar, press on this slider over here. And now we can press and hold the indicator to move it while holding the device vertically. So if you press and hold, then you can adjust the position of the slider. I'm gonna actually use my finger for that. So you can press and hold and then move it to the one side or the other over here. And as you can see, we can change the position of the sidebar. If you swipe it, then you will open the sidebar. You have different options, different apps, of course, that you can immediately use. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!